Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Profit Chapter. So today in this lecture we will learn how to log into Zerodha using Zerodha Kite Connect. For that we need to know some basic parameters like request token, like API key, API secret, access token. So let's start one by one. So what is API key and API secret? So it is basically user credentials like username and password. So API key is just a username and API secret is the user password. And what is request token? So request token is basically a token we provide to the Zerodha to access the uh, Zerodha. So we request and there is an access token. So Kite Zerodha provides us access token so that we can log into Zerodha and access Zerodha. So this was the basic thing. Now let's move on to the implementation. So first of all we need to know this Kite Connect. So to install this we need to run this command pyt install Kite Connect. So after doing that we will install this Kite Connect in our system. So after that the next thing is to create a request token. To creating a request token we need to hit the login URL, and when we hit the login URL and we log in, they provide a request token. And when we get the request token, we call this method generate session where we pass the request token and we pass the API secret. After the kite validates this, it returns a access token, and in the access token we can, after that we have to set this in the access token, and after that we can use all the methods. We can do whatever we can do after login to Zerodha Kite Connect, like order placement, getting the live datas, and lot of things. So let us run the code and check how it is done. So it's basically just I have run the method to get the live data. Let me show you this. Let me run this code. Okay, it is going to this. Actually we have directly used this access token, so let me just delete this one. So you can see that we need to call this one and we need to log in, and in this way you need to set a password and log in, and it will return as request token, and same you need to copy paste here, and that's it. You will be able to log into Zerodha. So that's it guys, this is the process. So if you have liked this video, please like it and also subscribe to my channel if you want to get regular tips related to algo trading. And yeah, thank you.